Let's check out this C3 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Chrome bumper one to boot, 1968 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Recent restoration done on this car, and I'll get into the details of that in just a bit. First of all, underneath the hood, 350 small block Chev power. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. That transmission is new. It does have a Hurst Competition Plus shifter also. Nicely equipped car, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this chrome up front. Has had a repaint to rally red. Black vinyl interior. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you watch this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video, and that's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. So, paint is new on this car as well as the interior. You can see us riding on the rally wheels. Chevrolet center caps and Uni-Royal radials. Date codes in the tires 2022, so they're just a couple years old. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Does have a new black convertible top, and we will fold that up, show you how that works, check out the condition of it. I'll also start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. We're going to check out the fiber optics on this car, as you can see in the center console. AM, FM radio is working. We'll check out those headlamps and the headlamp doors. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, now for some of the things that were done during the restoration of this. And there is a folder with miscellaneous receipts that will send along with the car. There's also some pictures in there. There's a manual. We'll get that all along with the car to the next owner. All right, so I mentioned the new trans, new paint, new interior, new convertible top. Also has new brakes. As far as underneath and suspension components that you'll be able to see in the underside pics. New control arms, ball joints, coil springs, shocks, tie rod ends, sway bar links. Does have a new aluminum radiator underneath the hood. And once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Technician that took a peek at this car did mention the wiper door works. Wipers were in op. The AC would need to be charged. It has not been converted from the R12, so you can either charge it with R12 or convert it. Odometer and temp gauge, you mentioned in op. Nothing that's going to stop you from enjoying this car, driving it, having some fun. Not many miles have been put on it since it was restored. And as you can see, the driver's side of this car, paint practically looks wet. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like these C3 Vettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Let me pull that key. We'll get rid of that warning chime. All right, door panel. Looking good both sides. Like I said, new carpeting. So that console is in nice shape. Bucket seat covers in excellent shape. It is a black vinyl top. I don't remember if I mentioned that. It's like new. We're going to put that up here just in a bit. First of all, let's start it up. Check out those fiber optics and a few other things on this. All right, tachometer working. Now, that's just the seatbelt warning indicator. So we're going to push that, turn it off. Fuel gauge came up. Oil pressure, battery. We're in neutral, so let's go ahead. Let's check this radio out. So that was working.
That is my safe place. I will not be shaken.
Radio working. And then I mentioned the fiber optics, so let's check out the blinkers. Up in the top there, left, right. And let's go ahead and hit the brakes and the tail lamp, the blinkers and the tail lamps. Very cool. Now, if I turn the headlights on, let's watch there they pop up. So you have basically headlights and the marker lights. And then coming down here, we should have tail lamps and license plate. And then you'll still have the blinkers working on that also. Pretty cool. It appears that those are working well. Kind of a neat little system, basically warning you if that bulb's out. You can tell by looking at your console. Dash looks good. There you go. Headlight doors open, headlights working. I'm gonna slip around to the back so we can listen to this. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. It's a good sounding small block Chev. Just a nice little deep throaty exhaust note. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit the lights off. We'll get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then remember, stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take it for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. I'm gonna show you how this top folds up and folds down. We'll check out the condition, so give me a second. Underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy, and here it is. Looks like we have a newer brake booster here also. And this thing is smooth running. I mentioned aluminum radiator. Champion aluminum radiator. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. And this is newer, old stock, I would say, compressor. And then you can see where it would be R12 and has not been converted. So good looking stock engine bay. Of course, exception 350 small block underneath there. Hey, this is one you can get in, drive, go have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. You know what? You have a chrome bumper 68 Corvette without breaking the bank. All right, I'm going to close up the hood. I'm going to get the tripod out. I'm going to show you how this convertible top folds up and down. Check out the condition of it. And then remember, we're taking it for a drive at the very end of this video. All right, and there's the top up. You can see they fold easily, and this top is new. So nice tight fit above the windshield. Side glass, rolled that up so you can see how that fits. Nice fit there also. So no rips, tears, holes, of course. Actually still has the tag on it, not to remove as far as the dealer. I'm gonna leave that on there. The next owner, they'd like to read the book and how it's cared for and everything there. We're gonna leave that up to them to take that off. So I will leave that on since it is a new top. And side glass over here on the passenger side. Nice fit there also. Back around to the top of the windshield. So good looking top. Functions as it should. I will show you that top being folded back down into the storage compartment. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. little red Corvette. 1968 model year convertible. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1968 Chevrolet Corvette. This car is a convertible, and we do have the top up today. This is a 4 on-the-floor manual transmission. The brakes working very well. Stereo working as well. That's FM. Comfortable vinyl bucket seats in this Corvette. The blower motor works on this car. Our fuel gauge is reading a little less than a quarter of a tank. The temperature gauge has not come over 100. Not sure if that one works. The oil pressure is showing 35 and the battery is charging over halfway on the gauge, so that's looking good. Our tachometer and speedometer are working. A little bit of the typical wind noise around the window seal on this convertible top. On a winter day in Minnesota, you do expect a little bit more wind noise. A little bit thicker, nicer steering wheel. Feels good on the road. Just enough sport feel to let you know what's going on the road, but not harsh. Feels very stock. Going down to third for the roundabout. Corners nicely. This stays nice and flat in the corners, as it should for a Corvette. It accelerates as a 68 Corvette should. Really nice looking red 1968 Corvette. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.